Now, before coming to Aurangzeb and his policy, I want to discuss the economy of entire medieval India, Sultanate and Mughals. Very important phase. So, I hope Akbar and his policies are clear. His role as an emperor, how he played the important role in establishing the Mughal Empire. It took around 49 years to him to consolidate the Mughal Empire. Imperial policy formula I have already given you. Lahore is the first gate, Bengal second, Kashmir 4 windows, Gujarat, Deccan, South India. Here the ardent rival Mirza Hakim. So Kabul episode, you have to see that Kabul episode. Muhammad III was in Gujarat. Gujarat campaign is a very important campaign of Akbar because he occupies Gujarat, and then when he reaches back to Agra, there was revolt in Gujarat and Gujarat was recovered by the local people. But he retreated immediately. He did not commit the mistake of his father. He retreated immediately, goes back, reaches to Gujarat, consolidates his position and comes back. And in the memory of that victory, he goes for the construction of a new city, Fatehpur Sikri and Buland Darwaja. Fatehpur Sikri is a beautiful place. Then Rajasthan became his target, but this time Rajasthan became the boon for Delhi. And these Rajasthani warriors, Kashmir, Yusuf Shah Chak also came under his control. Sindh was not an exception. So all this area, Bengal, was under his dominance. And in Deccan, the most romantic character he meets is Chand Bibi. And before his death in 1605, he had a vast area of Indian subcontinent under his control. Objective: to dominate route B and route C, to give promotion to third urbanization. So notes you will get, outline you already have in your mind, as I have discussed about Alauddin Khilji. So outline you already have in your mind. Why the rulers in India were bothered about expansion, what was the concept of Chakravarti, what was the benefit for them to dominate the Indian subcontinent, etc., etc. Political and strategical importance. And for this you have to refer, although I will give you the outline of that chapter, but for this you have to refer page number 132 NCERT. That chapter is very important. They can target that chapter. Strategical and political importance. So page number 132. Western India, Gujarat, Malwa and Mewar. (139) NCERT Struggle for Empire in North India, Part 1. So that chapter is very important. The strategical and political importance of Mewar. the story of struggle between the strategical and political importance. So Malwa and Mewar, Malwa has a connection with Gujarat, Mewar has a connection with Delhi. So both of them fought for a very long time to maintain their dominancy. That is why they have given the same heading, Malwa and Mewar. And Malwa is very famous for opium production. For that I have to discuss technological development during medieval period. फर्स्ट पेपर अगर हम देखें कि हमें क्या पढ़ना है तो टुडे आई विल स्टार्ट विद इकोनॉमी ऑफ मेडिवल इंडिया एंड आई विल डिस्कस religious movement of medieval India, Bhaktism, Sufism, Vaishnavite movement and all those things I will discuss. Then I will discuss Aurangzeb. अब उसमें कुछ डिस्कस नहीं करना है because outline you already have, what is mansabdari, what is jagirdari, religious policy, Rajput policy, तुमको सब कुछ पता है. मैं सिर्फ ये बताऊंगा कि what was the mistake he committed in all these pillars. So Aurangzeb, how he created the tension in those pillars. So I will connect Akbar, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb. Finally Bahadur Shah will be done by you. Fourth, Deccan and South India, of ancient India, in which I will discuss Satavahanas and Vakataks. Ancient India, Deccan, South India, Pallavas and Cholas. Then fifth thing I have to complete, Delhi, Deccan and South India of medieval period. अब यहां पे चूंकि मैं बता दूंगा कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमी, पॉलिटी, सोसाइटी, तो हियर आई विल गिव यू द नोट्स ऑफ other kingdoms, but here I will discuss two important, Vijayanagara and Marathas, and that will be the complete picture of art and architecture, portion 6th. Art and architecture will be dealt by Mr. Shukla. He will discuss art and architecture from ancient to medieval. He'll take 2-3 classes and he will discuss it. I don't think you will feel any problem here because he has a very great approach of connecting the things. After all, he is an ITN and he was also in services, so there is no problem in that. You will only miss the stories and songs, but then I will recover it in the next classes. Anything else other than this? These are the 6 topics to be completed and then the first paper will be done. Economy of medieval India. Indus Valley, first urbanization. 6th century BC, second urbanization. Medieval India, the story of third urbanization. Story of third urbanization. Preface. Agricultural economy. Urban economy, role of state. ये 4 हेडिंग डिस्कस करेंगे. एंटायर मेडिवल इंडिया एक साथ पढ़ेंगे. पहले हमने क्या किया था? इन एंशिएंट पीरियड हमने टुकड़े में पढ़ा, ऋग वैदिक इकोनॉमी, लेटर वैदिक, फिर 6th सेंचुरी, फिर मौर्यन पीरियड, फिर पोस्ट मौर्य, फिर गुप्ता, फिर पोस्ट गुप्ता, फिर राजपूत, फिर जाके तुम्हारी कनेक्टिविटी की, अच्छा ऐसे होता है। फोर हेडिंग्स, 4। प्रोफेस, अब दो हिस्टोरियन बड़े फेमस हैं मेडिवल इकोनॉमी को पढ़ने के लिए। वन इज डीडी कौशाम्बी एंड अदर इज इरफान हबीब, but we will not write the name of both the people in answers. Please be careful. Right wing approach, left wing approach. Right wing, left wing, and we have to follow the middle path. We are neither the right wing people nor the left wing people. We are nationalist. तो हमारा तो विंग ही अलग है, लेकिन हमें दोनों को देखना है कि दोनों क्या कह रहे हैं इन द लाइट ऑफ एविडेंसेस, बिकॉज बोथ आर गिविंग एविडेंसेस. We have to see the information given by both the people. So you are getting my point, huh? Never use the name of these two in examination. If you use the name of this man according to Irfan Habib and your answer sheet came in the hand of a left wing, you will be benefited. But in case it came in the hand of a right wing, then you are gone. You have to use the name of Al-Baruni, Ibn Battuta, Afif, Farishta. These names you have to use. Preface. So, medieval history is a story of third urbanization, in which medieval history is the story of third urbanization, in which foundation was laid down during Delhi Sultanate. The foundation was strengthened by regional states. So when Delhi Sultanate ends 1398, so from 1398 to 1556, you will find the dominancy of regional states. Gujarat, Malwa, Bengal, Kashmir. In Kashmir you will hear the name of Jainul Abidin. So in this period you will hear the name of Mahmud Begla, Gujarat, Rana Kumbha, Mewar, Jainul Abidin, Kashmir, and their role is that they succeeded in maintaining the stream of third urbanization. Chapter 10 of NCERT. I'll do it, I'll discuss. You take this lecture from NCERT, don't worry. Write it here, NCERT. So there I'll give you sufficient matter so that in case you get the questions from here, you will be able to write it. That the fall of Delhi Sultanate was not a setback for the third urbanization? Comment. Write a question here. That the end of Delhi Sultanate was not the end of third urbanization. Comment. Or they can ask, the regional states of 15th century, the regional states of 15th century have economic, political and cultural contribution to medieval history. The regional states of 15th century have economic, political and cultural contribution to medieval history. Do you agree with this statement? तो तुम्हारा ये पोर्शन भी तैयार हो जाएगा, ठीक है? ठीक है? Then the palace with beauty was created by Mughals. Palace with beauty was created by Mughals. In this, the important role was of technology, and in this the important role was of technology and two basic pillars: direct connection with Europeans, direct connection with Europeans, direct connection with Europeans. ये जो डेट है ना, ईयर 1498, ये ताजमहल जो बना है ये यूरोपियन की वजह से। इतना पैसा, मुगले आजम मूवी नहीं देखे हो? पता सबको था, पता सबको था। डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन विद यूरोपियंस। अभी क्या थे? मिडिलमैन थे, देयर वर मिडिलमैन। आधा पैसा वो खा जाते थे, अरब्स। But after 1498, direct connection with Europeans, Portuguese, Dutch, Spanish, English, इतना पैसा आ रहा था भारत, इतना पैसा। बहारें आज पैगाम मोहब्बत लेकर आई हैं, बड़ी मुद्दत से उम्मीदों की कलियां मुस्कुराई हैं। नहीं सुना? देखो यार मूवी। पर्दा नहीं जब कोई खुदा से, क्या बात है। पर्दा नहीं जब कोई खुदा से, बंदों से पर्दा करना क्या, जब प्यार किया तो। लाइनें देखो। छुप ना सकेगा इश्क हमारा, चारों तरफ है उनका नजारा। छुप न सकेगा इश्क हमारा, चारों तरफ है उनका नजारा। इश्क में जीना, इश्क में मरना। इश्क मतलब ध्यान। इन निरहुआ का गाया हुआ गाना नहीं है, और ना निरहुआ का लिखा हुआ गाना है। कुंडी ना खड़काओ राजा, सीधे अंदर आओ राजा, ये सब गाना नहीं। सब गाना मत सुना करो। इश्क में जीना, इश्क में मरना। शराब भी पिएंगे तो ध्यान में पिएंगे। और हमें अब करना क्या, जब ध्यान किया तो डरना क्या। प्यार मतलब ध्यान। इश्क के हकीकी पढ़ाएंगे सूफियों को, मजा आएगा तुम्हें सूफीज्म पढ़ के। मेरे दीवाने को इतना न सताओ लोगों, बहुत रंजूर है ये, गमों से चूर है ये। खुदा का खौफ खाओ, बहुत मजबूर है ये। यही सब गाना सुना के सूफीज्म पढ़ा देंगे। NCERT writes कि when Vasco da Gama returns back he gets 60 times profit. 60 times, not 2 times, 3 times, no, 60 times. And then the rush of Europeans starts towards India. Agricultural economy. Second heading. The story of agricultural history. Rig Vedic period. Dormant. Don't say absent. Don't use the word absent. They'll tear up your answer sheet. Dormant. Because nothing ends in this world. Everything is either at the lower level or at the highest level. ये जो तुम पत्थर देखते हो ना, पत्थर, stone, conscious is there also. In this entire universe, there is nothing other than Allah, Bhagwan, God. These words are created to give. These words are created, again I will come to my point. These words are created to convince common people. Actually, learning की जो process है ना, learning, picture, alphabet, word. If you simply write apple in nursery class books, children will never go to school. Never. Easiest form of learning is the picture. A common mind can also connect from a picture. And the highest form of learning, highest of learning is inference. Highest. Neither word is present, nor picture is present, nothing is present. But you see and understand. That is why India has come out with that word called darshan. This is the highest form of learning. This is the highest form of learning. There is no picture. There is no picture, there is no word. You see and you understand. That is why India says darshan. Learning by seeing. That is why Immanuel Kant, the Western philosopher, he talks about two things: empiricism and knowledge. This is the reason that art and architecture is a very important part of history. कि आम आदमी कैसे समझता था इन बातों को? How it was possible for a common person to understand all these things? Picture. बहुत सारे लोग उठ के आए नहीं होंगे अभी पढ़ने के लिए. मेरी छोटी सी बेटी है, 4 बजे से बैठती है 4 o'clock, क्योंकि कहती है मुझसे कि पापा समझदारी बढ़ानी है. सही कहते हो. और मैंने इससे कहा कि जिस दिन तुमने मुझसे जॉब के लिए कह दिया कि पापा मुझे जॉब करनी है, और या तो तुम गोली चलाओगी या हम चलाएंगे. अपने बच्चों को ना कभी जॉब के लिए मत पढ़ाना. हाथ जोड़ रहे हैं तुमसे, वरना तुम्हारा वाला हाल होगा. Don't send your children to school with this in their mind कि you have to get job. What is your final destination in this world? Job and wife or husband. Don't do this. Macaulay turned entire India into Dalit. Entire India into Shudras. Entire India. He has written a secret letter to his father. The Indians have a very high level of knowledge. They know the art to open the mind. And if that goes on, we will not be able to rule this country for a longer time. And if we want to control this country for infinity, we have to kill that art. यही तो मुसलमानों के साथ हुआ, और क्या हुआ? इस्लाम इज द आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग. 5 वक्त की नमाज पढ़ो, रोजा रहो. मुसलमान गरीब हो सकता है? हो ही नहीं सकता, हो ही नहीं सकता. मैं तो बहुत मुसलमानों से बात किया, मुसलमान गरीब हो सकता है? जी गरीब तो कोई भी हो सकता है, भिखमंगे कहीं के, गरीब तो कोई भी हो सकता है. 2000 लोगों को लेकर उसने पूरे यूरोप पे कब्जा कर लिया, स्पेन पे. सर वो लोग दूसरे टाइप के आदमी थे सर. अच्छा, यहूदियों को पता था कि कुरान जो है टू द पॉइंट बात करती है, तो बोला मुसलमानों को भड़काओ, इनको भटकाओ. तो यहूदियों ने 10,000 यहूदी मौलाना बना के डाल दिया मुसलमानों के बीच में. द जियोनिस्ट कॉन्स्पिरेसी, जियोनिस्ट कॉन्स्पिरेसी. 10,000 Jews became मौलानास, they adopted Islam. मुसलमान बड़े खुश हुए, ये देखो ये मुस्लिम, इस्लाम वर्ण किया, इस्लाम. इनको पता नहीं था कि इसके पीछे गेम क्या है. जियोनिस्ट कॉन्स्पिरेसी 1899 कि इनकी रिलीजन इनकी ताकत है, वही इनकी कमजोरी बना दो. And then when anyone talked about Renaissance in Arab world, these 10,000 people used to stand up. Speaking against Quran, speaking against Quran. काट डाले उसे. Rigvedic period, agricultural economy dormant, but they know about agriculture. The story of agriculture economy starts from later Vedic period. Beginning of agricultural economy. Reason, main reason, iron. This iron gave birth to agricultural economy. Then the story moves ahead. 6th century BC. Agricultural surplus. Because of iron, because now iron turned towards agricultural tools and implements. In Rigvedic period, iron was discovered, but iron was used for arms and ammunition. Now 6th century BC, iron was used for agricultural tools and implements. Agricultural surplus because of technological development I have discussed. Example, paddy transplantation. Paddy transplantation, which is mentioned by the Buddhist literature and Jaina literature. Then Mauryan period. So here you will find the birth of Gahpati, that is the rich farmer. And this rich farmers gave promotion to internal trade, all this we have discussed. Mauryan period. So iron was there, technological development was there, plus role of the state. A very important step role of the state, a very important step which promoted agriculture. A very important step of state which promoted agriculture. Janpad Nivesh. Two things we have discussed. Durg Nivesh, Janpad Nivesh. Janpad Nivesh, settlement of villages by the state, plus state farms, plus irrigation. And agriculture got momentum. Post-Maurya period, peak of second urbanization. peak of second urbanization. Iron, technological developments, Central Asians are coming and they are also doing additional developments. The state is playing the role, private sector is highly involved. The rich, merchants, traders, but the story changes. Gupta period. Agricultural economy gets momentum, but agriculture came under the control of feudal lords. Agriculture and agriculturist both came under the control of feudal lords. Post-Gupta, expansion of feudalism. Rajput period, peak of feudalism. Agriculture and agriculturists were imprisoned, completely imprisoned. Production was high. Developments were taking place, but surplus was in the hand of feudal lords, and this led to the suffering of the farmers and the state. Rajput period. Now, so special feature of Rajput period, peak of feudalism. Agriculture and agriculturists are imprisoned by whom? Feudal lords. Production was high. Developments in agriculture were taking place. Which Puran is considered as the encyclopedia of agriculture? Now it's a factual question. If you don't remember, you will be forgiven. If you don't remember factual questions, you will be forgiven. Which Puran is considered as the encyclopedia of agriculture? Agni Puran. Agni Purana. So production was increasing, developments in agriculture were taking place, but then agriculture and agriculturists were imprisoned by whom? Feudal lords. This you have to keep in mind. कि वासुदेव और देवकी दोनों कंस के जेल में बंद हैं. Who is this कंस? Feudal lord. Delhi Sultanate. What will be the first step of these Delhi Sultanate rulers? So the first step will be liberation. Liberation of agriculture and agriculturist. Liberation of agriculture and agriculturist. How they did? First step, Mawas. This was the first step, Mawas. First step, Mawas. Heard the word? Heard the word? Anyone from your side who has heard this word? Plundering of the areas. Plundering of the areas. Plundering of the areas. Areas. Plundering of the areas which refused to pay the tax. Mawas. Turks were military commanders. They have already defeated their bosses. Feudal lords were being beaten. Mawas. Plundering of the areas which refused to pay the taxes. अरे जब गब्बर को टैक्स देता है रामपुर, तो ये तो फिर भी फॉरेन इन्वेडर्स एंड विक्टोरियस. गब्बर सिंह, काशीराम, धौलिया, कहां मर गए सब साले. आया भाई बाप. क्या लाए हो शंकर? गेहूं है मालिक. भाई भा 2 मुट्ठी ज्वार लाया हूं. मालिक के बच्चे, हमारे लिए 2 मुट्ठी ज्वार लाया है. शोले मूवी देखिए ना, वो है मवास. क्या लाए हो धौलिया? गेहूं है मालिक. हाँ, रख दो सब माल यहीं पर. ठहरो, आओ ठाकुर आओ, अभी तक जिंदा हो. वो है फ्यूडल लॉर्ड ठाकुर. गब्बर कौन है? टर्क. और जब तक मैं जिंदा हूं तुम इस गांव से एक दाना भी नहीं ले आ सकते. ये है मवास. देन इक्तादारी सिस्टम. अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ military governors in different areas. Division of Sultanate into Iqtas. Iqtadari, division of Sultanate into among military governors, and one of the most important function of this military governor was to collect the money from feudal lords. So from Iltutmish to Balban, this was the prominent feature. Because Sultanate was infant. Iltutmish to Balban, this was a prominent feature, prominent. It continued later on also. It continued later on also. We hear about it at the time of Firoz Shah Tughlaq also. Mawas took place because there also there were villages who refused to pay the tax. So raids took place. But it stopped with the arrival of whom? Alauddin Khilji. He starts the land revenue policy. He starts the land revenue reforms. Then this continued under Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He was very much bothered, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. This continued under Muhammad bin Tughlaq. And Firoz Shah Tughlaq, because both of them gave promotion to agriculture and agricultural reforms. Muhammad bin Tughlaq established a department, Diwan-e Amir Kohi. Diwan-e Amir Kohi, agricultural department. He not only gave promotion to, मैं नेक्स्ट आईएएस में क्लास ले रहा था, उसमें कोई लड़का मेरे पुराने परिचितों में से है किसी के घर का, उसने मुझसे क्वेश्चन किया, सर आप बहराइच छोड़ के इलाहाबाद क्यों भागे थे? अरे मैंने कहा कहां बैठा है तू? हंसने लगा उसमें। उसने कहा सर मैं सॉरी सर ऐसे ही पूछ रहा हूं। मैंने कहा ना ना बेटा, ध्यान करो, ध्यान ध्यान जरूर करो, कुछ करो ना करो। ध्यान मतलब वॉचिंग द माइंड। तुम्हें बेवकूफ बना रहा है, आधे घंटे बाद पढ़ लेंगे। क्यों आधे घंटे बाद पढ़ेंगे? शाम को बैठ के पढ़ेंगे। क्यों? अभी क्यों नहीं पढ़ोगे? टॉक टू योर माइंड। नहीं शाम को माहौल थोड़ा अच्छा रहेगा, माहौल अभी भी अच्छा है। अच्छा एक सिगरेट पी ले तो पढ़ ले। अच्छा ठीक है एक सिगरेट पिएंगे लेकिन फिर 9 घंटा का पढ़ेंगे 10 घंटा। इसको शर्त रखो, तब इसको दो कोई चीज। पुट द कंडीशन इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर माइंड कि सिगरेट पीना है, चलो पिलाता हूं, पर उसके बाद 10 घंटे पढ़ेंगे। सोच लो, और बीच में तोड़े तो फिर बेटा किसी दिन सिगरेट देखने नहीं देंगे, पीना तो बहुत दूर है। फिर ये तुम्हारी बात सुनेगा? वो बोले जाता है, तुम सुनते आते हो, यू एक्ट लाइक अ स्लेव। तो कौन यार मास्टर नहीं बनना चाहता? एवरीवन वांट्स टू बिकम अ मास्टर। You behave like a slave. He orders, you listen. Yes, sir. He orders. You get up for a tea. Acha, sir. Cigarette, sir. Sir, you cannot get up, sir. It's around 4 o'clock. I text you at what time? 3:30 a.m. I was playing chess. Muhammad bin Tughlaq established Diwan-e Amir Kohi Agricultural Department. Write down all the reforms of Alauddin Khilji here. No repetition. Plus he started experimentation also, but he failed. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, promotion to irrigation. And 7 टाइप के अंगूरों का 1200 बगीचा लगाया उसने। फिरोज शाह, promotion to horticulture. Right. 7 types of fruit, grapes. Acha, grapes, viticulture. Okay. 7 types. 1200 bagans of 7 types of grapes. This was the first step of Delhi Sultanate. Liberation of agriculture and agriculturist. पहला पॉइंट क्लियर? सेकंड पॉइंट, फर्स्ट पॉइंट, लिबरेशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट। तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट लिबरेशन, सेकंड पॉइंट प्रमोशन। First point liberation, second point promotion. Promotion to the cultivation of cash crops. Agriculture surplus is already achieved. You don't have to do anything. Surplus is there. Surplus is already there. That is why I have given you the background of entire agricultural economy. Surplus is already there. Promotion to cultivation of cash crops. Which one? Which one became the darling for Delhi Sultanate? Sugar cane. Indigo, horticulture, etc. Cultivation of cash crops. Tobacco after 15th century. Tobacco after 15th century. Advent of Europeans. After that tobacco. Not now. Mughal period. Silk, Persians have already learnt. Persians have already learnt opium from ancient times. Persians have already learnt cultivation of silk. Now they started introducing in large scale. अब बड़ा कॉम्बिनेशन है. अब कारीगर तो भारत में पहले से ही थे, इन लोगों ने प्रमोट कर दिया. शुगर केन स्पेशली फॉर व्हाट? शुगर केन प्रोडक्शन स्पेशली फॉर व्हाट? Sugar cane production especially for what? Sugar cane production especially for what? Liquor. Liquor. Promotion to the manufacture. Liquor became a cottage industry in medieval period. And Islam is against liquor. Liquor became a cottage industry in medieval period, and Islam is against liquor. Because these Turks staying in cities, they were in high demand. खूब शराब पीते थे, खूब. Warrior class, ruling class, aristocracy class. Textile industry was already well developed in India. Textile sector. Irrigation. Indian agriculture has two crops, Rabi and Kharif, and both depended on natural rain. Adev Matrak. Adev Matrak. This was the term for those land which naturally got water by rain. Which naturally got water by rain. And Islam was born in Saudi Arabia. You see, there is no water management in Indian people's mind today also. Although we are going to face a water shortage. Cities like Hyderabad and Bangalore, there are many areas in Hyderabad and all where there is no water. There are many areas in Delhi where there is no water. And possibly after the next 10 years, these Indian cities will be starved of water. But still, we have to give ad for it. Jal hi jeevan hai. India is a land of rivers. इसलिए इस देश का आदमी 4 बार नहाता है. हमारे शुक्ला जी हैं 2 बार नहाते हैं. हमको उनको देख के इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है. बट मुस्लिम्स, जहां क्राइसिस होगी वहां मैनेजमेंट होगा. जहां क्राइसिस होगी, क्राइसिस, तो वहां मैनेजमेंट होगा. तो मुस्लिम रूलर्स इंट्रोड्यूस्ड कैनाल इरिगेशन. Canal irrigation, canal. Who was the first Sultan possibly to promote? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Ghiyasuddin was possibly the first Sultan of Delhi to promote, to come out with canal irrigation. The man who gave big promotion to a canal irrigation was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. A very important canal. There are many canals which was prepared under his rule, but the canal which moves from Yamuna to Hisar, write it, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was possibly the first ruler. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was possibly the first ruler to introduce canal irrigation, but it was highly promoted by, but it was highly promoted by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. An entire eastern Punjab benefited from it. Entire eastern Punjab benefited from it. The most famous canal of his time was the canal from Yamuna to Hisar. The canal from Yamuna to Hisar. Delhi to Hisar. Who has given this evidence? Afif. Write in bracket. Who's the source? Whenever I will say you to write in bracket, that means Hafif. That means source. Tohna Canal, yes. Fatehabad Tohna Canal. Then technological developments. Grafting in horticulture. Grafting in horticulture. Art of making liquor. हिंदुस्तानी शराब बनाना कहां जानते थे? महुआ वो एक जला के पी लिए, वो अलग बात है. Arabs learned this liquor manufacturing from Europeans, and from Arabs to Persians, and from Persians we got liquor. And liquor made by sugarcane became a cottage industry during this period. अलाउद्दीन खिलजी ने बैन लगाया था, रिवोल्ट हो गया सर. मतलब ही ऑल्सो फेस द ब्रांड कि अरे भैया, नाला बनाना और कैनाल बनाना दोनों में फर्क है. ड्रेन एंड कैनाल बोथ आर डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. थर्ड, द यूज ऑफ indigo tanks, the making of indigo tanks by lime and mortar. The making of indigo tanks by lime and mortar changed the feature of dyeing in India. Indigo and mortar changed the feature of dyeing in India. Liberation, promotion. Fourth, I don't have a space here, you write. Increase in agricultural land because of the state policies. Increase in agricultural land because of the state policies. Balban clears all the forest of Route B. Right? Increase of agricultural land because of state policies. Example, Balban clearing the forest of on Route B to a larger extent. Liberation, promotion. Two words are clear? लंबी लंबी उमरिया को छोड़ो, प्यार की एक घड़ी है बड़ी, प्यार कर ले घड़ी दो घड़ी. पूरा एक गो में दे देंगे. एंशिएंट मेडिकल पूरा इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट इन वन गो. पूछो जहां से पूछना हो, लगाओ अपनी ताकत. दिस 2 points आर क्लियर. लिबरेशन एंड प्रमोशन. देखो 2 points. तो लिबरेशन एंड प्रमोशन, सी 2 वर्ड में पूरी कहानी सिमट गई. लिबरेशन, प्रमोशन, थर्ड वर्ड. Raja, Rana, Ranaut, feudal lords. Below them, Mukaddam, Khut, Mukaddam, Chaudhary. Chaudhary is the word which is a converted form of Chaurasi. Chaurasi was the word used for Chaudhary. Chaurasi is a word used during the time of Gujjar Patihar. Chaurasi, village headman. Chaurasi turned into Chaudhary. This word Chaudhary comes into existence in 14th century. लिख लो हरियाणा वाले, तुम बहुत चौधरी लिखते हो. There is a possibility they can ask you origin of this word Chaudhary. This word Chaudhary during Gurjar Patihara time was called as Chaurasi. Gurjar Pratihara time, this was called as Chaurasi. Chaurasi. This word Chaurasi in 14th century became Chaudhary. Feudal lords, Khut, Mukaddam, Chaudhary. Middlemen, Balahar. Farmers. Patwari. Villagemen, not appointed by the state, Patwari. All these people were termed as Jamidar from 14th century. All these people were termed as Zamindar. All these people turned as Zamindar during Mughal period. So this word Zamindar comes from which period? This Zamindar comes from which period? Mughal period. Who are Zamindars? The middlemen in the villages. And then Alauddin Khilji goes for land reforms and he brings all of them under taxation order with the help of what? A standing army. Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad Din Tughlaq. That is why historians say that when these Turks started penetrating in the self-sufficient village economies and they tried to break it, they faced the larger resistance in India. Right? This step of Turks to penetrate in and attack the self-sufficient villages in India. This step of Turks to penetrate and attack the self-sufficient villages in India proved costly for Turks. And became one of the important reason for political unrest in Sultanate period. Became one of the important reason for political unrest in Sultanate period. Then administration, maintaining law and order. Administration, maintaining law and order. Liberation, promotion, protection. Protection. D. Expansion. बस ये 4 वर्ड याद रखने इन एग्रीकल्चर. मजा आया? कुछ रटना है ही नहीं यार. Tomorrow what I will do? Tomorrow I will here only extend Mughal period. End of entire agricultural history from ancient period to medieval India. पूरा चार्ट एक गो में. लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे अपना बना ले मेरी जान. मैं ऐसा पानी पानी गरम कर दो. चप्पल पहन के जाना, स्लीपर. नहाने वाला. कहाँ से गोरी आंखों में प्यार लेके चढ़ती जवानी की ये पहली बहार लेके मीना बाजार लेके दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार लेके रैली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला. मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे अपना बना ले मेरी जान. दिल को जलाने वाले सैया बेदर्दी मेरे थोड़ा सा प्यार मांगू. दुनिया बसा दे मेरी. बेटा थोड़ा पानी दो। हो गए गुलाम तेरे, अपना बना ले गोरी, आएंगे काम तेरे, अपना ये जीवन सारा लिख देंगे नाम तेरे। उस पर मोतियन की माला, खुरते नैन मेरी जान।
Thank you.